It is, and the debris field is so extensive. Right behind me is what is left of a Land Rover. You can barely tell that that's what it was. It's actually facing the opposite direction that it was traveling. It was traveling westbound on Ventura, and it was navigating a turn when it went out of control. Excessive speed, likely the contributing cause of this accident. It is a solo vehicle accident, but we're told preliminary estimates put this at maybe double, if not triple, the speed limit. The speed limit around this curve is 30 miles per hour, just to give you an idea, and that's just initial estimates. Now, 2 people were killed in this crash. It went right over the curb, sheared off fire hydrants, then through a retaining wall, tumbling a few times, and then landed where you see. 2 people did have to be cut out of the vehicle. They were pronounced dead on arrival. Just a horrific scene to have to see. Now, this stretch of Ventura Boulevard from about Tahunga to Vineland is going to be closed down for a little while more. They're going to try to open up the eastbound lanes a little earlier. They are hopeful that maybe in an hour or 2 that might happen, and then they're going to work to get the westbound lanes opened up as soon as possible. They are a little bit hopeful that that can happen sooner than it normally might, just because this crash is mostly off of the street. So as soon as they can open it up to traffic, they're going to try to do so.